Oh, building your business online can be a challenge, like on YouTube, for example. So sometimes you just run out of ideas, run out of energy, run out of inspiration. Yeah, it's quite an often thing which happens to many. And what do you do in this case? Some of you know me for a while, so you know that I've been uploading regularly, like every week, for the past quite a few years. You can check out on this channel. It's all about building freedom in life, and living the best version of yourself. This is the main topic of this channel. But what do you do if you don't feel like filming? And this is exactly how I feel today. You just feel like chilling and not filming. So in this video I want to share which tricks you can use if you feel like it's not like your day, but still you have to put out some content. So this is the video for those who want to start their business online or just start a YouTube channel. So let's dive into it. Today is a really nice weather actually, and it's I'm here in my car. It's a Japanese one, so it's the right wheel. So I want to share with you some tips. And first of all, if you build your business on YouTube, in this case, and in general on Instagram or any kind of social media, then it's a good idea to be very transparent when you feel like you don't want to film, because if you don't have any content to film, then just let your audience know what's going on with you, why you don't want to film. Maybe you don't feel so good, maybe something's going on in your life that prevents you from doing it because you're busy or something. So it's totally normal to be yourself and to say, this is what's happening and that's the reason why I'm not doing it. And so first of all, just be yourself, and show up on the camera as you are. And some people really prepare themselves before shooting, like putting makeup on or making your hair, and today I didn't even wash my hair yet, and you can just say, today is this kind of day that I don't feel like filming, but I still want to show up to you and let you know that I really care, and this is just something going on in my life. And just share some aspects of your life, and if it can be somehow related to your main topic of your channel, this is very good. For example, this channel is all about building freedom in life, and this also means that sometimes you want to take days off, or maybe weeks off, or months off, and you can just say that, because if you are not free, if you're not flexible with your business, then it's like you're working 24/7 for yourself, for your own business. It's not a good idea. It's all about building freedom here. And sometimes, you can just say, you can just show up and say, this is like this is what's going on. The second tip that I want to share, that I've been using for many years now, that I'm building this channel and this community of free-thinking people here, is that actually you prepare some, content beforehand. And this you also know, if you follow me for a while, that sometimes I really go traveling for 1 month or 2 months, like I've been traveling this year, to Georgia and Germany and other places, and I share also some videos of mine from those travels on this channel, because traveling is a part of being free and a part of personal development too, unless you don't like traveling, which is also fun. So if I go longer on a travel, then I just prepare beforehand some content. And it's always good to have some content prepared beforehand, because you never know like what happens and when you feel like filming again. So when you feel like filming, make sure you film maybe some extra stuff for the future, for those days when you don't feel like doing it. So instead of like doing 1 week, one video per week, you can prepare 4 videos for the whole month, so to say. And of course, it takes extra effort, but maybe you spend one day like working a lot, and then you have this time and flexibility not to shoot any content at all. The next tip I would say is just be relaxed about the like editing or like easy product. It should be easy. Make sure that it should be easy. And if like I'm really about content without editing too much, just show up like you are and edit just a few things maybe. Yeah. So because if you have some fancy editing, it may take so many just hours just to edit your video, and that's also can be a hindrance. Yeah. The next step is to using actually your phone. Using your phone, because if you want to have all the setting in your special place, your studio and everything, it's good to have. You can do it if you want, but you don't have to. So just grab your phone very easily like that. Start shooting, show what you have, and And because it's so handy and it's so easy to shoot on your phone, this is how I recommend actually to start your channel in general on YouTube. And as you know, I started it on using my phone, and then like a year ago or something, I bought a camera, and I thought I will use it for showing the beautiful places, beautiful nature that I'm enjoying very often, because I love nature. And I'm like, you can find a lot on this channel from visiting beautiful places, going to the beaches and forests like today. So I bought this camera, but I realized that I hardly use it outdoors. I've used this camera mostly for shooting indoors, which I really like now. And now all the videos in the last half a year at least are made indoor with this camera indoors. But outdoors and when I travel, no way. This is too much to carry this camera and the whole thing, and phone is just easy. Yeah. So I kind of decided to come back to the phone, but for this reason I bought a new phone. This is first time I'm shooting with this new handy I have. Let's see how the quality is. So I decided to buy a new phone with a better camera, so that when I am don't feel like filming, or want to share something interesting in my life, then I always have it with me. You don't have to buy a new phone if you're just starting your YouTube channel. Start with what you have. Check out how I started, and just enjoy your journey. Whatever situation you are, whatever equipment you have, you always have your phone. But now I really decided to have a better handy camera on my phone, just because now it's again the season is starting, when you can go outdoors, we can enjoy the beautiful sea landscape and everything here. And I just want to have something always with me that I can take out and make a clip. So again, yeah, this something like there's something else I wanted to say in the connection, like if you were a YouTuber or you have a business online, what do you do when I also have videos like how to avoid burnout and so on. I can link it somewhere here because you want to prevent those days from coming, but sometimes they come and you have to be ready. One more thing that I want to add, that it's good to embrace the imperfection. Yeah, it's always good to remind yourself that this is not about being perfect. This is about the process, the process, the journey, the like. Let me know in your comments, like, what is your experience? If you want to build a business, if you want to build your legacy, if you want to build community, what is like the main thing about it? And very often it's not that you have to reach your goal after 1 month or even 1 year. It's very often about the process, the process of you becoming a different version of yourself, the process of building, freedom in life. And yeah, so just enjoy the process and accept like every step on the way. And it's not like every day is the best day, and and you have to look your perfect way, you have to show up your best way. If it's just not realistic also, because life is about ups and downs, and today I'm energetic, the next day I'm not so. And one more thing I want to add, if you want to be consistent on YouTube, building your brand or business, then like, if you don't feel like filming, reconnect to your why are you doing your channel? What is the motivation? What is that engine? A spoiler here, it should not be financial. Financial, is important, but what is your mission? Like, how can you help people? What is that you want to share? And very often your experience, your life experience, your business experience, your personal relationship experience and everything can be very helpful for other people who are going through the same thing. And I'm sure there are many people building their business or brand or legacy on YouTube, and they have this trouble of staying consistent online. Or if you have any kind of social media you are using for business, I'm sure you had times when you feel, I don't feel like posting, I don't want to post. Well, then just share your journey. Share your journey, even if it's like not the best day or not the best moment of your life. Be decent, be transparent, and be honest. So those are some tips for those who want to start their YouTube channel, who want to build a business and brand online, and tips how to stay consistent even if you don't feel, like filming today. I hope this was useful for you. And if you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. It really helps promoting my channel, so that YouTube will show this video to somebody else, and somebody else will have great time and having some new insights about how you can stay consistent on YouTube and social media in general if you are just not having the best time of your life. So I'm going to take a walk to the seaside, wishing you the best time in the world, and make your life meaningful and share your journey. If you subscribe, then I will see you in the next video. And if you are interested in building freedom in life on all levels, financial, emotional, and spiritual, you can say whatever freedom to travel around the world and everything, then this channel is for you. So hope to see you again. Have fun.